What's going on, guys? It's me, Vick Almighty, back again with a different kind of episode of Customs with Vick. Back in August, Reshoevinator celebrated 10 years of clean kicks. I held my first ever talk show. During that show, I talked with some of my favorite customizers, such as Chad Can Color, Malcolm Garrett, and John Manalo. I sent them all a special kit that we called Vick In A Box. We sent them a super sick laser engraved clear display box. We also sent them some product and some autograph stuff, as well as some blank Air Force Ones with one unique element that they needed to put on that shoe for the custom. Today we're back with the legend himself, John Manalo, to find out exactly what he did with the Vick In A Box custom. Watch you to the very end, because during the video I'll be giving you details on how to enter for the Reshoevinator giveaway. What's going on, John? How you doing, dude?
I'm doing good, bro. How about you?
Not too bad, man. You look like you're about to drop a new single with that new mic.
I gotta sound professional on YouTube, bro.
That's what's up, man. I feel you. Up in your game all around.
Hell yeah.
Dude, how's life?
It's good. Yeah, I just moved into a new home, so I'm just setting up the garage for my new workspace. It's been very hectic. So
how's the new workspace gonna look like?
Oh, it's cool. I'm gonna have 3 tables just in case I have like a few of my boys wanna slide through and work on their shoes. I finally have my own office, isolated sound, so no background noises. Like in my older videos, you could hear like little like things in the background. I'm like, I hope no one like notices.
Now you got 4 walls and everything. 5
Yeah.
walls. I saw you finally completed the Fear of God Jordan 6 custom.
Yeah.
We talked about that a few weeks back on Reshoevinator Day. You kind of gave me a sneak peek before the shoe actually got put together. You had the uppers. You had a Jordan 5 that you were kind of messing around with.
Yeah, it was. I went true to size, so the fitment was completely off. I usually go true to size for hybrids I'm not familiar with, and then I alter the size if I want to do it again.
Yeah.
So I should have went a full size up for the Jordan 6.
Jordan 6. Gotcha.
Midsole.
The midsole. I noticed it was a tiny bit small. I don't know if it was because of the upper. So you would have gotten a bigger toe.
I think the upper was just really thick. So it would have felt like a size 10. So I went with the size 10 sole. But because of how thick the material was, it looked like it was like a size 11.
I understand what you're saying. It's just a back. It's not like a crazy, like, oh, it's horribly off, but you can like a little bit. Size 11 would probably fit better. But other than that, I mean, it's like the criticism. That technique, man, it's like you learn with every project. How's the sewing machine going? I mean, I'm still practicing on mine, but you got the full post bed and everything going on.
I'm still trying to figure it out. You know what I mean? I've had the Chinese one, the patcher one, for like a year and a half now. I haven't even opened the box set because I'm just like, I don't even know where to put it.
Yeah. I mean, it comes in handy for some projects, but I'm sure that post bed that you have is key to, certain projects.
I think if you want to do it faster, but precision, I think yours takes the cake because you could actually like control, you know what I mean? When I was with Hoop Fresh, you know how we did, what is it? When he did the What the Fives, he switched out all the tongues. Yeah, he didn't even use his machine. He used the patcher.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because if you use the post bed, you have to take off the sole first. You know what I mean?
Hoop Fresh is cool, man. I talked to him last week or 2 weeks ago on IG Live. Cool dude, man. I mean, I talked to him.
Yeah.
I talked to him all the time on Instagram. Saw him briefly in LA, but actually sitting down and having a full conversation about his processes, how he thinks about stuff, how he works, how he got from, in 2018, like 2 years, man. I mean, in 2 years, he's developed a lot. I remember in 2018, he's just done his swaps, and then out of nowhere, I see him do like these, the San Chicago ones and the Laker San ones.
Yeah.
Modifications to the Black Cement 3s. By the way, I seen you've been doing the same thing too on the True Blues, right?
The True Blues, yeah.
How's that coming?
What was that?
How is that project coming?
It's cool. I'm trying to replace the foam, like a dense foam. So I already have that. It's kind of like a yoga mat. So I'm just like repurposing like other stuff that I'll find like really good for this project. It's really thin, it's really dense. So it'll imitate the 99 white cement 4s, which those panning, I feel like it's the best panning. It's thin, it's thick, You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not too puffy, or it won't condense too much because it's not that dense.
Right.
So I feel like this padding will look really good on the alternate, I don't know, 88s, I guess.
Frankenstein. To give you guys some context that don't know what me and John are talking about, Who Fresh originally grabbed a pair of 2001 Black Cement 3s. If you guys are like some sneaker nerds, you guys know that the shape is kind of off. It's too much padding. The elephant print's too thick. It's a clean shoe, but it's not crispy clean. So Who Fresh went in, recreated the padding on the inside of the sock liner, threw on some 88 back tabs, I believe, maybe 94, but I believe it's 88. Replaced the elephant print with some more authentic 88 looking elephant print, made it thinner, made certain panels thinner. Once they got all put together, it legit looked like an 88 Black Cement 3, huh, John?
Yeah, like he lowered the elephant print on the toe box because the OGs, they had really thin. It's damn near a dental floss how thin it was.
The new stuff is super thick, it just looks weird compared to the original stuff. So for those who appreciate the older models, you know, the shape of it, how they used to look, they don't make them like that anymore. So some guys just had the gift to be able to transform that stuff to how it kind of used to look like. Who Fresh successfully did that. John is doing that right now in a pair of True Blue 3s, right?
Yeah.
You know, that's hard work. It's interesting, awesome, hard work that, you know, it's a bit of a learning curve for John. Who Fresh said it was also a learning curve for him. And, you know, you guys make it look like it's all easy and done, like it's super easy, but the process is not easy. You guys are just kind of going with the flow.
Hell no.
Figure it out.
Yeah.
You know? But you guys make it look super easy. I do want to do one of those projects one of these days. I had a pair of Black Cements from 2001, brand new dead stock. I wasn't going to do anything with them. I did want to do what Who Fresh did with his pair.
Do it. Yeah, do it.
I sold them to Who Fresh.
Oh, you did?
Oh, for sure. Who Fresh like 2 weeks ago. He has
that's tight.
He has this really cool project that he's working on. I guess I can't say anything because Who Fresh wants to, you know, obviously it's his thing. But
okay, I'll text him.
Really cool he has a really cool project that it's in the works. I'm kind of honored to be able to provide him with the shoes, but he's doing all the work for somebody really cool. But, you know, we'll find out more later on when he finally announces the details of that project. But yeah, super cool, man. Super cool projects that you guys have been working on. Outside of these random cool projects that you and I have been working on, let's get to the good stuff.
Yeah.
A month ago or so on Reshoeminator Day, I sent over what we call a Vick In A Box. I sent over a display box with your name and stuff, autograph stuff, products. Of course, Air Force One, a blank canvas with one unique element, which was the tiger camo, right?
Yeah, so I just cut up some tiger camo I found on Google, and I just went to work.
Yeah, the whole theme was tiger camo. Do you have the shoe?
Yeah.
Where's it at, man?
I made it just super simple, but I did add like an element to it where it's like, oh, that's pretty crazy.
Let me see.
For me, anyways. I'm not a customizer, so I just put my own twist. All right, here we go. Pull them out. So I just worked on the swoosh, right?
That's what's up, man. That's clean.
I just worked on the swoosh. So, you know, worked on both of them. I think my stenciling got better when I worked on the second shoe, like applying it down, because there was a lot of overspray. It's a little too bright to show you what else I did, but let me just show you photos. So it's like this, right? Just a little close up.
Right.
And then
glow
in the dark.
You actually did the sole too. That is
fire,
dude.
So I don't know if it'll show.
That is fire, dude. Dude, this LEDs actually sticking out the shoe. That is
I had to charge them. a lot.
Taking outside.
Yeah. I had the blue light. The blue light too.
The blue light. That's what's up, dude. Those came out super fire.
I speckled the glow in the dark, so it's like speckled all around the shoe.
I know, just give it that another element. That's what's up, man.
Yeah.
Are you gonna wear them?
Hell yeah.
They're your size.
Yeah, I want to see the durability, because like this whole sole is like, you know, painted, so it's gonna rub off. So I'm gonna put on like sole shields.
I mean, most likely the bottoms will, but the sides might hold up depending on how you wear them.
It was a lot of trial and error. I feel like this or customs is like equivalent to like baking, when restoration's like cooking, you just like do whatever flavor you want. But for this, I had to like make exact measurements with the powder that makes it glow, the neutral paint, and too thin and adhesion promoter.
Yeah.
Like I had to find the right balance. At first, I was too cakey with the powder, so I made the soles like white, so it didn't look blue anymore.
Yeah. Did you
So I had to like, yeah, to acetone the whole thing off. It was a lot of work. I could have just painted the swoosh blue, like the whole swoosh blue. Like, okay, and it hit the glow in the dark, because I've always wanted the glow in the dark element. But I really wanted that nice like tiger camo material.
Yep.
I'm a fan of Black Scale. They do a lot of tiger camo, especially
I like
Vape. So like I wanted that abstract look.
Yeah. There's one tiger camo custom I did a long time ago.
Yeah, dude, that's hard. Like the layers of color, that's hard.
Yeah, it definitely took layering and stuff. I like this custom a lot though. I kept this one because I was able to put my name on there. I don't know if you can tell.
Oh, I see that. That's sick.
V-I...
Yeah, it's like not noticeable until you point it out. How did you make the print?
I just got a bunch of like random strips, like the exact same stuff I sent you. I used on this custom. I wasn't
really those are the exact same strips.
Yeah, those are the exact same strips.
Holy crap,
you know
dude, that looks fire. I don't even know how to use it. I was looking at him like, I don't know how to use it.
A little bit confusing, but once you know how, it's pretty basic.
Yeah.
As far as the Vick goes, it was kind of an accident. Before I realized it, I had like the V and the I laid out. I'm like, you know what? I could probably make something out of this.
Yeah.
Okay, and it kind of worked. So it's one of the customs that are in the collection just because of that detail.
Yo, that looks crazy.
Thanks, man. It's a cool project.
Yeah, that looks really tight.
Thank you, sir. You did a great job on your custom, though, man.
Thanks, brother.
Something I would wear.
Yeah, hey, watch out. Jordan Brand might steal your idea. They might even put Vick on it by accident.
Jordan Brand's already stole a few of my ideas.
Damn.
Thanks, man.
Did you work on the Air Force One custom?
Recently?
Or like, because you set these out, right? You sent everyone else one out?
Yeah, so I sent you that pair, the blue and white version. I sent Garrett red and white version, I believe. I sent Malcolm Garrett a purple and white version, and then Chad Can Color a red and white version. So I sent all three of you guys the same silhouette shoe, of course, but with a different colorway and different elements to work
Power
with.
Rangers, yeah.
Exactly. Power Rangers. Yeah,
that's
man.
Tight. You didn't make one yourself?
I mean, I made these.
Oh, that's right. I didn't even know what model they were. I was like, wait. I was so focused on the design. I didn't know they were Air Force Ones.
Air Force One High. I made those.
That's so sick, bro.
Yeah, man. I'm happy for those. I'm happy with how those came out.
I'll wear those to like Comic-Con or something.
Yeah, dude, they have screws in there and everything. Wires. Your foot would break.
I'll probably get like a size 13 just to make some wiggle room.
Yeah, you'll need a lot of padding in there.
Hell yeah.
All right, man.
That was tight.
I won't take up much more of your time. I know you gotta get back to work and stuff.
Nah, you're good, brother.
All right, brother. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, Vic. Thank you so much for having me. Appreciate it.
I'll text you soon. See you, man.
All right, man. Peace.
Peace out.
John did such a great job with this custom. That is something I would personally wear. The details were on point, no overspray where there shouldn't be. The details were all nice and clean, crisp. The glow in the dark was a nice added detail to that shoe. That was something I was not expecting at all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode. We've been trying to do new things on our channel lately. Let us know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see more guest customizers in the future. I had such a great time seeing these customizers bring a different custom to life with similar limitations. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we are giving away one grand display case. All you gotta do to enter is follow Shoevinator on Twitter and comment our Twitter handle. One winner will be announced on October 7th via YouTube community tab. Winner will be contacted through Instagram. Good luck, everybody. Make sure you guys stick around our channel and hit that notification bell because we got more videos like this coming your way. Next week, we'll be talking to Malcolm Garrett. This is Vic Almighty. Have a good day, everybody.